Welcome to Help Desk Migration. In order to connect your ServiceDesk Plus to the Migration Wizard tool, you'll have to know your URL and API key. To generate an API token for your ServiceDesk Plus account, you need to do the following steps. Log into your ServiceDesk Plus account as an admin. After that, click on the profile image and then click on API key generation at the top right corner of your screen. In the new window that opens, go to API key generation and either generate or regenerate your API key by clicking on a corresponding button. It depends on whether you have already generated an API key before. By the way, you can also choose whether you want your API key to expire or not. Lastly, you have to copy the recently generated API key. As soon as you've done it, return to the Migration Wizard and paste API key in the corresponding field. Now, you can continue the data migration process. And that's it for today. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest data migration tutorials, news about help desk systems, and more. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we will see you next time.